Hey guys, welcome back. Got another special one for you. This one is a part two, of course. I didn't get it all in the first video, and it shows as I drove by today. So I'm gonna try and do it justice today. Here we are at San Pedro Park, and I'm gonna get some of the highlights starting off at the Playhouse. Stand by. All right, here we go. Starting at the Playhouse. Today we're gonna try the door first. That way. Oh, look at that. I think it might be open. I don't know if they're doing a show or if it's open to the public. I saw people here. It's not open?
What's up?
You guys aren't open?
No, this is a theater. We're just doing classes.
Sorry about that.
Oh, no, you're good.
So, not open to the public, only for small issues. And they have shows. San Pedro Playhouse.org. That's what I was told. Alright, back to it. So, not too bad. The Playhouse is cool. Right next to the park. Obviously, they got the skate park right over there. And tennis courts. We'll start up here. Show you that. Let me shut my yap. Let you guys enjoy the sights. Once again, always make sure you guys bring your water. We just walk around the outside. Cool, right? Okay. Pretty cool, right? Cool. Let's see.
Yeah.
And then take you on the outside. There's a beautiful neighborhood surrounding San Pedro Park. With not a bad view downtown. I just need to get you guys up there. Let me edit that out. Okay, up here, we're on Crossroads. Seventh-day Adventist Church, Fort Laurel Heights. Right, backside of the tennis. check out some of these houses. Wow. That grass don't even look real. Man, and I haven't seen some like awesome grass. That grass does not even look real. It's crazy. I gotta go touch it. I gotta go touch it. Nope, it's not real. Whatever. Good job though. But there's a house of real grass in Texas in October. I guess it's cheaper to put the fake grass, the grass lawn. But this view, it's crazy. Check this out. This is out some people's front door. Let me zoom back out. That's out some people's front door. It's amazing. Alright, let's get you to the corner, to the one mansion in this temple. Still trying to figure out the logistics on that. Once I figure it out, we'll get in there. Until then, I'm gonna keep you guys outdoors. Well, guess they're redoing this one. Ain't that nosy. Alright. Sit on the corner and mind my business. I'm gonna jaywalk and bring us back. Yeah, that's what I was told. Okay. Alright. So somebody told me that there was a running trail over here at San Pedro Park. And sure to goodness, there it is. Look at that. It's not the let's just say you can find a crack in the middle, but whatever. But yeah, and this is the backside tennis courts right next to UTSA. This crazy cool limestone quarry cutout looking thing they built up. All the limestone out here. Look at all the tennis balls stuck on the back of that. I feel bad for showing you guys this. It's a way better view up top. Let me edit this out. So back to the top, to magical editing. Better view of everything from this side. Pretty fun. best part about that is you guys get to actually get a good look at these crazy houses. I haven't seen houses like this since like Shaker Heights. You guys know what Shaker Heights is, you know what I'm talking about. Crazy. Let's see how far we can see. We gotta be careful here. Nobody ran off over the wall, but no in San Antonio. Never know. All right. They like to party down here. I tell you that. Not like a good party. I wonder if I should try and play Frogger right here on a true exploration. I ain't never been down this street. We'll get to look at the house with the fake grass a little closer. Alright, let's go. Fake grass, here I come. Oh, and Seventh-day Adventist Church. Seems very plain, nothing too ornate on the outside. But this house with the fake grass, very interesting. I wonder if those two are related. To ornate. Yeah. Whatever. Dang, grass go all the way to the backyard. Something's got to be going on there. Oops. But that's none of my business. Check this joker out. Where the heck am I? Breeden and West French. Quiet little street, I'll tell you that. Crazy kids come by, almost ran me over. Big sister out there driving. Let's check this out. Wow, big old house. Holy moly. The beauty on that place. It's for sale. Getting cleaned up for sale too. It's crazy. Apartments for rent. Less than a mile from downtown. That's crazy. Probably because I'm out here when the sun's still up. But it get wild downtown, I'll tell you that. It get wild downtown. The food's rolling up on me. It's Amazon. Matter of fact, the only food seems like he might roll up on somebody is this guy. He didn't even hear me. What's up, buddy? I don't care. That's funny. He didn't even care. Alright, North Florist and West French. Alright. Get across the street before I get ran over once again. Playing Frogger, no bumper. No bumper. No bumper. Check this out. Arthur Field Florist. Over here on Ashby Place. Pop, pop. Pop, pop. Got the granddaughter out there. Yep, Arthur Field Florist. Alright, well, I'm parked over here next to, yeah, don't ever go down there. West Ashby in North Florida, alright? So I'm parked over here in the Playhouse parking lot. Let me get flipped around. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on this nice little walk. Downtown for San Pedro 2.0. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and saw that it's a nice little neighborhood around some craziness that's always popping around. And you guys make sure you're getting outdoors and getting some outdoor therapy as well. Alright guys, catch you later. Be kind, love each other, and see you soon.